Hello everyone. Sorry I'm 2 minutes late. How are you doing everyone? Um, I hope you are enjoying nice weather outside. We were just playing outside, so I got a little bit late. Uh, so first today I'm gonna show you one piece that I made. It was custom order. You may remember in the morning I showed you the picture, right? So this is the finished product. So this is 9 by 9 frame, and it has a butterfly, and I have given 3D effect to the butterfly, and I use green, blue shades. So this is custom order. So I did butterfly according to my customer's requirement. Now let's start learning. Let me start my other camera so that you can see it closely. So you must remember that in previous videos, you learn tight coil and loose coil. First, I will show you again how to make loose coil and tight coil. Let me adjust my camera a little bit. Yes. So, take one strip. If you are using big strips, you can use half strip or you can use full strip. And this is slotted tool. It has one slot. So you have to put strip inside the slot and just keep a tiny bit paper out and roll it. Roll carefully. And you can hold your fingers like this for support. Roll whole strip and then take tiny bit glue. You can use this kind of glue bottle, or if you want you can just use toothpick or pins like this, and put tiny bit glue and hold it for few seconds. And remove it like this. You have to be careful by removing it, otherwise it will become like tornado shape. So this is tight coil. Now I will show you how to make loose coil. Take one strip, fill the strip and face rub side towards you and just roll it. Roll whole strip. Now you have to remove this coil and keep this tight coil on the table and let it open. And take the coil and take tiny bit glue and put glue. And hold it for few seconds like this. So this is loose coil. Now I will tell you how to make same size loose coils. Again, just roll the paper strip remove it. And to make same size loose coils, you can use circle sizer like this, and just put this tight coil in any circle and let it open, and then take glue and put glue at the opening part and press this inside and let it dry. So like this you can make same size loose coils. Now today you are gonna learn how to make teardrop and curved teardrop. So for this I have one guest. My daughter Reva is gonna show you how to make teardrop and curved teardrop. So welcome Reva.
Hi, I am going to be showing you how to make curved teardrop and a teardrop. So first you're going to need a loose coil, and then you look at the glue part and you get the center and make it like towards the other side, and then at the glued part you pinch it. You do this so that like the edges will be smooth. So this is the teardrop. So now we can use the same one, and we're gonna just add a little variation, curve it like this. So this is the curved teardrop. Now my mom will come back and teach you how to make a flower.
Thank you Reva. So I will show you again. Take one loose coil and find the glue part. So here is the glue part. Hold your fingers like this and move this center opposite to the glue part like this and pinch it here. So this is teardrop. Remember to pinch at glue part so that uh, finishing of your shapes will look smooth. I will show you again. Take one loose coil, find the glue part, move center opposite to the glue part and pinch it. You have to pinch very little bit. So this is teardrop. Now with this teardrop, we are going to make curved teardrop. So this is top of teardrop. You have to just bend this top little bit. So this is curved teardrop. So take teardrop and just bend this top little bit. So this is curved teardrop. Now what you can do, you can make a chart like this. You can just take up one page, or you can just write the names of the shapes in one notebook, and you can just glue these shapes, write names of the shape and glue those shapes. You can use this chart for further reference. Now I will show you how to make flower with teardrop. So for this, let's take 6 loose coils and we are going to make 6 teardrops. Find the glue part, move center opposite to the glue part and pinch it. So I have one teardrop. This is second one, third, fourth, and fifth one. Oh, we need one more. So sixth one. Now take any cardboard or cork board and cover that cardboard with plastic sheet, or you can just put this in the Ziploc bag. Now take one uh, teardrop and put glue on both sides and keep it on the cardboard. Take one pin and push pin. Now observe this teardrop. You can see this edges going on one direction. So while gluing these shapes, we have to remember to glue shapes on one direction only. I will show you. Add glue, take pin and push it. So here, I don't know if you are able to see or not. Let me try again. No, I don't think you can see. But after finishing this video, I will take a picture of this flower and I will put it in the comment section so that you can see uh, how does it look. So just like this, add some more petals and push pins. And remember to use tiny bit glue. And let this flower dry for at least 5 minutes. And when it's dry, be careful when you remove pins. Hold your fingers like this and then remove pins. Otherwise, sometimes middle part of shapes will come out. So use your fingers and then remove it. Uh, and if you want, if you have any pearl, half pearl or any gem, you can put it here, or you can just glue small tight coil. After drying this flower, I will take a picture and put it in the comment section for your reference. So that's it. Today we learn teardrop and curved teardrop. And if you want, you can make chart like this. Write name of the coil or shape and glue shape under it, so that you can use this chart when you make different projects. So that's it. I hope you like it. Don't forget to join me next Thursday at 8 p.m. Eastern time. Till then, bye.